Hello everyone, now I'm at our customer's plant. It is a building materials enterprise dedicated to the production of aerated bricks. They purchased a 50 tons biomass-fired steam boiler from our ZOZEN. Let's have a look.
This biomass boiler adopts the unique 3-drum design, which features the boiler's ash hopper set in the middle of the low part of the flue. When the boiler is running, the dust in the flue gas can directly settle into the ash hopper at the bottom of the convection area, which solves the problems of ash accumulation from the structure. Not only improve the thermal efficiency, but realize to clean without frequently stopping it. At this moment, our ZOZEN service team is igniting the boiler. After a series of heat exchange, the high-quality steam will enter into the production line.